Welcome to our YouTube channel Advanced Safety Wala. Today we will discuss on a training program RLI Kolkata on safety and health awareness for members of Safety Committee. It's been scheduled from 15th to 17th March 2023. This program is primarily designed for executives, engineers, supervisors, workmen, SHE officers, plant superintendents, any officer official managing safety at workplace working in industries and ports. The topics will be National Policy on Safety, Health and Environment at Workplace, Structure and Functions of Safety Committee, an Introduction to Occupational Safety and Health, Overview of Industrial Hygiene, OSH Legal Framework, Hazard Identification, Risk Assessment and Control, Accident Reporting, Investigation and Analysis, Emergency Planning and Preparedness, Industrial Hygiene Lab and Safety Center Visit. Intended participants can express their interest by sending email to the program coordinator mentioning name, English and Hindi, organization name and location, English and Hindi, age, gender, highest educational qualification, and designation. Provisional confirmation will be sent to the selected participants by the program coordinator only on the given mail IDs rli.kolkata@dgfasli.nic.in, harikesh.meena@dgfasli.nic.in. Limited number of non-family hostel accommodation is available on twin sharing basis in the hostel of the institute at central government prescribed rate. Participation fees will be 5,000 rupees on Bharatkosh portal. How to make the payment? We already uploaded a video sample for that. The training will be at offline mode in the campus of RLI Kolkata. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Advanced Safety Wala to get such videos. Share with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching.